Hello everyone, this is Garden Races, a 3D printed RC world you build yourself. The Star is an all-wheel drive racing mini truck, compact, lightweight, and powerful enough to tackle grass, sand, dirt, or your living room floor. To build the truck, you'll need one CyberBrick kit and torsion springs 0.6 or 0.8 millimeters, available from Bambu Lab store. Under the body are two motors in standard CyberBrick housings. Want more speed or more torque? Play with the gear ratios. In this video, it runs the 1/48 standard gearbox from the CyberBrick kit, the sweet spot for speed and control. I kept the body ultra compact. Less weight, better handling, more fun. Tuning? Absolutely. Alternative wheels, bumpers, body parts, and even a track conversion kit. Swap wheels for tracks and crawl anywhere. And there's more. You can get a set of obstacles to build your own mini track. At home, in the garden, whatever you like. Back the project and I'll add plywood track elements for laser cutting and new body styles. Share your ideas in the comments. I'll try to implement the best ones before the campaign ends. Thanks for watching. Now, let's hit the starting line.